This is Lisbon. This is the EAO 2019. And this is the Straumann Group Lounge. You're watching Straumann Connections. Come on in. And welcome. The EAO attracts thousands of dental professionals every year who are keen to learn about the latest developments and research in implant dentistry. Once again, Straumann took the initiative to broadcast the excitement to a global audience. One new attraction was a hands-on educational session entitled My First Implant, which Straumann co-sponsored.
This is a very unique session where young professionals can come in and try for the first time how to place an implant. First, we had the theoretical part where we covered the beginning of osseointegration, the how to place surgically an implant, and the prosthetic part. And now we are on our hands-on part.
The group's leading brands and solutions were well represented and attracted strong interest. But the main highlight was Straumann's corporate forum on the BLX implant system. It was exactly 1 year ago at the EAO that Straumann unveiled this remarkable implant, which is now available in Europe, North America and Brazil. This year, Straumann's corporate forum was devoted to the impressive clinical experience gained so far, and we asked three of the presenters to share their findings.
We placed the first BLX implant in human in November 2017. So basically we're closing up to 2 years of follow-up on our patients. Until now I placed just below 500 BLX implants. And very many of these cases are single implant cases. That means a lot of different patients with all the different stories of the patients and all the different indications.
I've been using the BLX for the last 18 months with the kind of results that I expected. It's a very stable implant, whether it's rehabilitation of immediate posterior molars, maxilla or mandibular molars, as well as the aesthetic zone with immediate provisionalization. I also use it in ProArch, the edentulous maxilla and mandible, and one of the things I like to highlight, and I like very much about the BLX, is the single connection. That relieves the surgeon of the pressure of knowing, or actually not having to worry that there's a limitation to the implant diameter for initial stability.
The problem with implantology has been that the patient is subjected to many surgeries. So our main aim is to lessen chair time to the patient and also for the clinician to be time efficient. I have now placed almost 400 BLX implants and it's really beyond my expectations, and that's why I've made it the implant of choice in my practice.
And it's all about the patient experience in the end anyway, because if we can reduce the amount and the number of surgeries we do and reduce the treatment time for the patients, we're doing a better job.
Well, that brings us to the end of this edition, but not to the end of the BLX story, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and goodbye.